Well, as you know, there are some fine Irish songs and some fine Irish songwriters, and I've got my own favourites. So just for tonight, I put together 3 of them in the hope that they're your favourites, and in the hope that maybe you'll sing a little bit. I picked the ones I thought you might know. In my memory, I will always see the town that I have loved so well, as our school played ball by the gas yard wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways. In the town I love so well, there was music there in the dairy air, in a language that we could all understand. I remember the day that I earned my first pay, as I played with a small pickle band. Sing it with me. And there I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I was sad to leave it all behind me. For I learned about life, oh, when I became a wife in the town I love so well. For what's done is done, and what's won is won, and what's lost is lost and gone forever. I can only pray for a bright new day in the town I love so well. Raised in songs and stories, heroes of renown, the passing tales and glories that once was Dublin town. The hallowed halls and houses, the haunting children's rhymes, that once was Dublin city, and the railroad sign. Let's have you sing it. Ring a ring a rosy, as the light declines. I remember Dublin city and the railroad songs to say. It's